Unit 6. Listening section. In this section of the test, you will have the chance to show how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 parts to this section, with special directions for each part. Part 1. Questions 1 to 6. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear some dialogues or questions spoken in English. The dialogues or questions will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a dialogue and the question about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. Now listen to a sample question. You will hear, "Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's James Bond. How do you do?"
How do you do? I'm Barbara.
You will also hear,
What do we learn from the dialogue?
you will read in your test book,
A.
"The man has never met Barbara before."
B.
"The man never knows James Bond."
C.
"Barbara has met the man before."
D.
"Barbara met James Bond yesterday."
E.
"Barbara meets James Bond every day." The best answer to the question is, "The man has never met Barbara before." Therefore, you should choose answer A. Now let us begin part 1 with question number 1. Number 1. This is the boutique where Cynthia bought her dress.
Look at this shirt, dear. Wow, it's beautiful. I've never seen such a lovely shirt like this. It must be very expensive.
Let's check the price tag. What do we learn from the dialogue? Number 2. What seems to be the matter with your forearm, ma'am?
I was getting off the bus and I slipped and fell down the stairs.
It looks swollen. Let me take an X-ray. What looks swollen? Number 3. Are you going to New York or Paris this fall?
Neither New York nor Paris. I want to go to someplace warmer.
Why don't you stay at home then? Where will the woman want to go? Number 4. The first stop on today's tour is the museum.
Are we going to the commercial district?
No, our next stop is the government buildings. What place will the second visit be? Number 5. I like fishing on my holiday.
That's for men. I use my spare time to water the flowers in the garden.
That's a good activity. What is the woman's spare time used for? Number 6. May I speak to Mr. Smith?
I'm sorry, he is out for lunch. He will be back at 2 p.m. Please call again at that time.
When does the caller phone Mr. Smith? Part 2. Questions 7 to 10. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several questions or statements spoken in English. The questions and responses will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. You have to choose the best response to each question or statement. Now, listen to a sample question. You will hear,
Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's Lucy Liu. How do you do?
You will also hear,
A.
How do you do? I'm Satyawan.
B.
I am fine, thank you.
C.
Let me introduce myself.
D.
How do you know me? The best answer to the question, how do you do, is choice A. How do you do? I'm Satyawan. Therefore, you should answer A. Now let us begin part 2 with question number 7. Number 7. This is for you, Nina.
For me? Oh, thank you, Andy.
A. Oh my God, I'm glad you like it. B. You're welcome, I'm glad you like it. C. I'm sorry, I'm glad you like it. D. Certainly, glad to help you. Number 8. Yesterday on my way home, I saw a man who looked like my close friend. I came to him and tapped his shoulder. To my surprise, he wasn't my friend.
A. Oh, that's bad luck. B. I'm sorry to hear that. C. What a pity. D. That's a real shame.
Number 9.
Has anybody seen Rudy today? What about you, Joko? Do you know where Rudy is?
A. I think he may be ill. B. I think he should be ill. C. I think he has to be ill. D. I think he will be ill. Number 10. I heard that your son is the first winner of the chemistry Olympic competition. Is that true?
Yes, that's really true.
A. I'm sorry to hear that. B. I didn't like it at all. C. Oh, I don't think so. D. You must be proud of him. Part 3. Questions 11 to 15. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several monologues. Each monologue will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a monologue and the questions about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the questions you have heard. Now let us begin Part 3. Questions 11 and 12.
Although a dolphin lives in the sea, it is not a fish. It is a mammal. In many ways, a dolphin is like a human being. Dolphins have a simple language. They are able to talk to one another. It is possible for man to learn how to talk to dolphins. But this will not be easy because dolphins cannot hear the kind of sounds man can make. If man wants to talk to dolphins, he will have to make a third language which both he and the dolphins can understand. Dolphins are also very friendly towards man. They often follow ships. There are many stories about dolphins guiding ships through difficult and dangerous waters.
What is the purpose of the text? Number 12. Which statement is true about dolphins? Questions 13 and 14. To make jelly, you need a pack of jelly powder, a liter of water, and 25 grams of sugar. This is the way to make jelly. First, pour a pack of jelly powder into a liter of water, then heat it on the stove. Stir it slowly until it is boiling. Don't forget to add the sugar. Bring it to the boil again. After that, pour the jelly liquid into the molds and let it cool. What is the topic of the text? Number 14. How many materials do you need to make jelly? Question 15. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your cruise director speaking. It's a beautiful day at sea and we have a lot of programs for you, both on ship and on shore. The first shore excursion will depart at 9 a.m. Anyone wishing to go ashore should report to the lounge for a ticket. Have a nice day. According to the announcement, what should a passenger bring to go ashore?